What BIOS settings are needed for an NVMe boot drive? Imagine turning on your gaming PC and having it load your favorite game in seconds. That's the power of an NVMe drive, but you need the right BIOS settings to make it happen. Let's walk through what you need to check and change to get your NVMe drive booting smoothly. First, your motherboard's BIOS must be in UEFI mode, not legacy BIOS. UEFI supports the NVMe protocol and is essential for booting from these drives. If your BIOS is set to legacy, switch it to UEFI and disable any compatibility support module options. Next, you want to set your NVMe drive as the first boot device. This is usually done in the boot priority menu. Make sure your NVMe SSD is at the top of the list so your system tries to load from it first. Now, check that your storage controller is in AHCI mode. This setting allows the motherboard to communicate efficiently with your NVMe drive. Avoid IDE or RAID modes unless you are specifically using RAID configurations. Some motherboards have specific options for M2 or NVMe slots. Ensure that the slot where your drive is installed is enabled and configured for the correct PCI Express generation, like General 3 or General 4, matching your drive's capabilities. If your motherboard has a feature called Volume Management Device, or VMD, disable it if you are not using it. It can sometimes interfere with drive detection and booting. It's also a good idea to update your BIOS to the latest version. Manufacturers often releases updates that improve NVMe support and fix bugs that could prevent your drive from being recognized properly. When installing your NVMe drive, use a PCI Express X for slot if possible. This provides the best bandwidth and ensures your drive performs at its best during boot and gaming. By following these steps, your system will recognize the NVMe SSD as the primary boot device, giving you faster load times and snappier performance. Remember, setting your BIOS correctly is key to unlocking the full potential of your NVMe drive, especially for gaming where every second counts.